Hi guys, this is my first legging, what I'm doing, and me and Marissa were just walking on the street. We're going up to the park. That's Marissa right there. Hello Marissa.
Come on, Daddy. Why are you
See?
going slow?
Yeah, Marissa said, come on daddy, why are you so slow? Marissa, I'm a whole man.
Daddy,
I'm going up the hill.
Daddy,
Yes?
let the car go.
Is it? I'm a whole man, Marissa. I'm going up the hill. I'm not young like you. What's so funny? You're laughing.
Cooking soda, babe.
Tired already going up this hill. Where are you, Marissa?
I'm right here.
Right here.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Alright, we're gonna cross the road, so you stop right here. Come on, let's go.
Daddy, what are
So guys, we're just going up this steep hill. We have Marissa right here. And we're gonna see if we see some squirrel today. And some bird. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful Thursday evening. So this is the background. At the back.
That's where we came from.
That's where we came from.
Yeah.
Yep. You tired, Marissa?
No?
You don't tired as yet?
No?
Yes guys, so we're just going up the hill. It's a beautiful day. It was raining all week. So we just got a little break in the weather today.
That was the rain and fall. I wish my birthday
And
was
has
raining.
decided to let's go for an evening walk.
I wish my birthday was raining.
You see your birthday was raining.
No.
Oh,
I
you hear
don't
that bird?
I don't want my birthday rain.
Okay.
Rain is worth.
What is working today?
Rain is pouring.
Okay. Come on, Marissa.
I'm right here.
See the dog over there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It has black and white.
Yeah, there's another one there up there.
Yeah. Why the string so long? Puppy string.
Puppy string.
Yeah.
Puppy string. So guys, this is our first lighting of the day. So, please leave us a comment.
Cooking soda, babe.
Lagging what we're doing today at the park.
What's that smell?
No, it got the rain was falling, so the bush is wet.
But this smells like fox poop or something.
Smell like fox poop.
Be careful, there's animals here.
It's animals here.
Yeah.
You have a look down there. So guys, this is the jungle.
There's the jungle.
Yeah, we're in the jungle.
Okay, let's go.
A lot of birds.
Well,
In the
you said
jungle.
you're gonna look for squirrel.
Oh, you're that beautiful bird.
Why there's some bees ahead?
as yet?
No.
Still looking. Guys, look at this massive tree.
Whoa.
Big tree. So we see that
That's the
bird.
airplane.
There's an airplane. You see to the bush?
Yeah.
Gonna go that way?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go that way.
You stay with me close.
Yeah, we don't see any squirrel.
Don't see any squirrel yet.
No, not here.
Daddy,
It's
this
very
time
cool.
you have to be very quiet, very quiet sneaking.
So guys,
we
this
don't
is the
scare
jungle.
Squirrel.
And it says a park. We have a lot of squirrel, a lot of bird, a lot of fox come out in the night.
In here.
So
And sometimes squirrel and fox and some birds come here too.
yeah. I think if we come tomorrow or much
Okay.
earlier,
Okay,
we
Daddy.
see some squirrel.
Okay, Daddy. Start so scared. Give me. It's dark here.
It's dark here.
Yes. So stay with me.
I stayed with you, baby. I stayed with you.
Cookie soda, babe.
We're in the jungle, Marissa. This is the jungle we're in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Jungle.
Some people.
There's the exit.
Yeah, there's the exit.
Let's go there. Come on, Andy. Let's go for the exit. Woohoo! Cookie soda, babe.
I think this tree may be around 100 years old, maybe more than that. Look how massive it is. This is a massive tree.
This is a tree I never seen before.
It is
Let's take
so
a
huge.
picture there. It's the best place to take pictures.
And we have Marissa stand right there. Look at Marissa small. And the tree is so massive, so big.
But there's nothing there. Come on, Daddy. Daddy, look.
What's
And
that?
This is the
That's a seed for the squirrel. The squirrel eat it when it fall off the tree.
yeah. Sometimes.
Yep.
Daddy,
Mhm.
let's see if my some squirrels and see. Give it to them.
You're gonna see if you find any squirrel and give it to them.
Yeah. Because we never see some squirrels. What? Go,
I don't know what type of berry are these. Guys, if you know what type of berry are these, please leave me a comment, let me know. Let me zoom on them to see what type of berries is these.
So we have to find a squirrel.
Hi guys. You don't know what type of tree is this one?
I have no clue.
Okay. Alright, no problem.
Too. It's a berry tree.
Yeah, but what type of berry is it?
It's a bird tree. A berry for the birds to eat.
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know what type of berry is this, what type of tree is this, please make a comment and let me know.
We need that to discover some birds too.
There's
We
a
need
park,
that to
everybody's
discover some birds.
everybody's exercising, everybody's jogging. So a lot of people want to be fit. Marissa is jogging as well.
Daddy, we're happy when you go through there. Because that is a tiny hole where the fox lives.
Let's have a look.
No!
Wow.
The fox is there.
This is a jungle, guys. Look at that. Fox is there.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's me.
I'm still with you. Don't worry. Be careful. Let's clear this out the way. This is the jungle, guys.
I don't know, Daddy. The fox is here.
The fox is here.
Yeah.
No, I don't see any squirrel. I don't see no fox. Let's go back up.
Let's go. Daddy,
Go on. Go, go. I get you.
Daddy, I'm tired of putting this around my neck now.
You tried to put this word in that now. Let's get it done for you.
The fox is there. Fox might show up.
Fox might show it up.